This is Hallskär, and today we're going to visit Utterkobb, the little island outside Hallskär. And if you haven't yet, push the subscribe button. It's the little red one in the corner.
Nu vet vi det allihopa, så de börjar bluddra måste vi ge full gång.
I have had big problems with the engine on the Insane. So Johan was just telling everyone, if you hear the engine struggling, we're gonna hit the throttle at max. So grab onto something, because otherwise we maybe not get back. Early the next day we were leaving. The sailboats has left earlier. The goal for today is Stora Hallskär, and we think it's going to be crowded today, so we want to get there as early as possible. It's not that strong wind, so the waves shouldn't be that high on the ocean. So I think I'm going to take the outside all the way up to Stora Hallskär. It's beautiful to see the horizon on the way over there. It's a couple of shallow spots here in the beginning, then it's just going. Now we are out of all the shallow. Then I can go fix the last thing with the fenders and hook up the anchor safety line. I know I need at least one long rope at the starboard side. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.